Here comes the first move, and it's coming from Calvin Diku, the Commonwealth champion. Mo's responding to it immediately. 2 laps to go in the men's 5,000 metres, and Mo is headed with a serious effort now by Calvin Diku. Now Mo's got to hang on to it.
700 metres to go. This is a long run from home, but he's a 1,500-metre specialist, and Farah will know that this is just the first effort, because Gebriwet and Kajelcha are moving up. The Americans are getting closer. Galen Rupp as well, realizing that the race is on now and they're completely stretched out. But Farah's looking fairly comfortable, just pecking a little bit. Gebriwet looking good. Kajelcha's getting himself in a real mess. So Galen Rupp now will actually doing Mo Farah a favour where he's sitting there. Kajelcha's got to go again here. But it surged by Ndiku, must have tired him out. I think the danger's Gebriwet. And look at Ndiku, who goes, no, I know you want to be at the front, I'm not letting you. So this is going to be different from Mo Farah.
One effort by Mo Farah to try and get into the lead. It wasn't enough. He's now got to gather himself. He is being tested a little here by Calvin Diku, the man that came to Glasgow last year and won the gold medal. Gebriwet, he's aiming at Mo Farah rather than Ndiku. Now Mo Farah, he's run the 10,000 metres. He maybe have some tiredness in his legs. He's got to stretch, he's got to work, he's got to battle for this one like we've seen him do before, but he can battle it from here. And Diku is exposed at the front. Here comes Mo Farah.
The Ethiopians have got no chance here. That was a 54 lap to that point. Has he got the legs? Has he got the strength? Can he take Farah on? What's Mo got less? Kajelcha moves into 3rd place. The gold medal surely between these two. And Diku, the tall Kenyan. Mo Farah striking for gold again. He takes one look. They've got nothing for him. Mo Farah streaking away. It's a fantastic 5 for Farah. Gold again. It doesn't matter what they do. This time they got in front of him. Doesn't matter, doesn't care. I'll take anything you've got and I'll match it, I'll better it. 5 world titles. Simply sensational. Mo Farah, as good as he's ever been, but that was hard, that was tough. He knew it, he was tested to his limits.
There's Mo in the race on his own. And look at him, he challenges at that point. Calvin Diku says, no, you can't. I'm going to try and win this one. I'm going to try and win it for myself and for Kenya. So Mo cleverly settled on the inside, taking the shortest route. Just waiting here. Calvin Diku kicked again around the bottom bend. Gebriwet was being tested all the way. And Mo Farah sprinting now and holding it, running sensibly. That 1,500-metre race that he ran, that helps you when you're running like this. But look at him, and look at Mo Farah, and watch what he's doing. Just think about what he's doing. He's become tonight the most prolific winner of gold medals that Britain's ever had. He was already that, and he's done it again. But for me, tonight has put him at the high table, at the top table. When you talk about the greatest distance runner in the world, he's alongside some others. He's gone past Haile Gebrselassie in terms of gold medals. He's joined Kennedy Sabakili. He's gone alongside Tiranish Dibaba. He's at the same, you can mention him in the same breath, Zatopek and Lassie Viren. But for me, this is only my opinion, it's very hard to do so, but I would say after that performance tonight, Mo is the greatest sportsman that Britain's ever had. And I honestly say that with some consideration. I think that's the case.
Another gold medal, the triple-double, Mo. You've done it.
Yeah, I've definitely done it. It's great to make history, and, you know, I didn't feel great. I kind of, like, you know, had a little bit where I almost went down. My hammy was kind of playing up a little bit, but, you know, it's great to have the medical team just helping me out, getting me through it, getting the ice baths, getting all the recovery, and tonight to come out here and to make it double, it means so much to me. I was on the phone to my wife and thinking, yeah, I was kind of getting nervous since the first time I've been for a little while, you know, kind of got a bit nervous, but, you know, it happens. So you just have to get through it. And thanks to all the medical team, everyone's been around, great team spirit, and it's just, you know, it's amazing to do it. And
I suppose that's the kind of thing, when it happens to you, you have to keep it under wraps. You don't want to give the opposition any kind of inkling of hope.
Yeah, no, definitely. I didn't want to give him anything else, and I didn't want to tell anyone. But Neil Black, it's been great for me, and it's just been helping me out so much. And, you know, getting ice bath, getting the rest of that, just a whole setup in terms of from the training camp, from everything else. It's great to see that, and we just want to continue to be able to bring next Smo, and hopefully, to, you know, to younger kids out there who's watching me. You know, it's taken me years and years, so it's important that we try and give back something to the sport and encourage young kids. And I want to be able to do something, you know, for the younger kids out there. You know, it would have been nice to see my wife and my kids here tonight, but unfortunately they wasn't here. But we're watching at home, and you know, sometimes it's just, you know, as a parent, you don't want to be away so much, and it's just it hurts sometimes, because my other day, my daughter Amani, she said to me, "Daddy, I'm coming to your home." She thinks I've got another house somewhere else, and I don't live there. And I was like, how do you explain to kids? But you know, this moment makes it enjoyable, and I'm so looking forward to spending time with my girls, Aisha, Amani, Rihanna, and my wife Tanya, and everyone. I just want to go home now and celebrate with them.